Take a moment to check out the 2024 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, remote engine start, fog lamps, four-wheel drive. Capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.